Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss on breakouts, and we're going to discuss on what a breakout trading is. It's a very common form of trading among the traders who loves to trade breakouts. So if you see over here, the red circle that I have drawn on Bank Nifty 15 minutes time frame, over here you can see there was a build up, right? And then we could see a breakout over here. So this is what a breakout is. If you see over here, this is a breakout. And most of the traders who loves to trade breakouts, they kind of enter around at this kind of around these positions, right? Okay. Now the problem is currently we are looking at Bank Nifty 15 minutes, right? So ideally we have so many sectors, so many stocks, and when the market goes live, we do not know which of the stock is going to give us breakouts, trades in the form of breakouts, and also the problem is in which time frame. So if I want to write it down, time frames and stocks, indices, and also commodities, right? During the day, there can be multiple breakouts in different stocks over different time frames. So here, the traders who love to trade breakouts, then they do not find the right opportunity to trade. As you can see over here, there is a nice breakout over here around a 245, right? And we could have taken the opportunity over here for the ones who love to trade breakouts. So this is in 15 minutes. If you look at 1 hour, in 1 hour also, you'll find several breakouts, right? This is a breakout, and you could have traded over here. But the problem is time, because if you want to trade breakouts, you have to have all your eyes into the market. You need to scan all the stocks, all the time frames throughout the day, and you have to take the best of the best opportunities. So this is not possible manually because there are so many stocks. If you sit at 9:15 and look out for breakouts, at last you are going to drain out yourself, right? So what if I provide you a custom scanner that I have made to tackle this problem? So let's see what it does. Let's say we have a scanner, and that particular scanner is going to signal us where is the breakout, right? If you already know about the scanners, there are different kind of scanners available and you can customize them in the UI. But the problem is you will not be able to find these kind of breakouts that you want to, right? Small candles in the same line. There's so much of calculations. You have to consider the week of the candle. For example, this is a breakout, right? This kind of a candle after small candles is a breakout, but I don't consider candles like this after a consolidation or after a build up. A breakout like this, which is having a large wick over the candle, I do not consider is it as a breakout because there is a selling pressure from upside. So this kind of parameters you cannot set. Only way is to code it out, apply your logics, and do it. So I have done it already for you. If you're interested, you can contact me and I'll mail you the scanners so that you have all your eyes into the market. So if you want to use it, let's say you have downloaded the code in the Pine editor, go to the Pine editor. You do not need any subscription on TradingView to look for these scanners because it is going to be your code. And if you click on indicator and remove the code over here and paste all the code over here, right? And then you are going to save it. Let's save it as breakout. And you are going to save it. Next thing you are going to do is you are going to add this particular scanner onto your charts, right? And now this particular scanner is applied on your chart. This will be applied to 1 hour. If you want to see for 5 minutes, that is also fine. Let's wait for the scanner to load because it has around 40 stocks that are added. It takes some time to load, and once it's loaded, you can track on a live market. Let's say this is a premium account. Let me sign out and let me log in to a free account, right? So this is a free account. I have not taken any subscription for this particular account, and let's see how it works. Perfect. If you can see over here, today is 11th of Feb, 1:28 p.m. So today is Saturday. So on Friday, let's check out what we got for Friday, right? And this is going to be on 5 minutes time frame because we have selected 5 minutes. As you can see, the 5 minutes time frames. And you need to figure out what are the breakouts that we have got, right? At 1:30, at 2:45 for AU Bank, ABB, and again About India on 10th, right? Again over here, Ambuja Cement, right? Astral. So you can customize your stocks accordingly. If you go to the settings, you can add any sectors, any stock over here, and you can also choose your time frames. This is how I have designed this particular scanner, and you have to look at the C1. C1, as soon as the C1 turns green, it means along with the timestamp, right? You also have to check for the date that is on the current date. If you can see over here, BEL on 10th, it has given at 11:40 p.m. Sorry, 11:40 a.m. a breakout. So this is how you're going to scan instead of going to each and every chart. If you have this particular scanner on at 9:15 or 9:20 a.m. in the morning, at least for a day, you'll find several breakouts for all the stocks and you can take your decisions accordingly. Let's check for ABB. Okay, 1:30 we got. Okay, this is ABB, and let's see if we have got a breakout at 1:30. Let's minimize this and let's check for 1:30. Perfect. If you can see over here, this is a breakout, right? And as soon as the price moved above it, you could have taken a trade. Next, we have, let's say BEL. We got one. We got in Bharti Airtel and also Biocon, right? 11:30 and 1:55. Let's check for these particular stocks. Biocon. And at what time? We got it at 11:30. So if you look at 11:30 over here, you can see this is a breakout, right? This is a breakout. And you could have taken a trade over here. Let's check for Bharti Airtel. 130. This is the breakout that you've got. If you want to change your time frames, let's say 1 hour, you can do that. And for 1 hour time frame, you'll be having the bird's view. If you look at this, you have to search for 1002, that is 10th of Feb. This is interesting. If you look at here, on 1 hour time frame, the stocks, the 40 stocks that we have selected over here, none of them gave any breakouts on Friday. That's why we do not have any signal, any breakout for that particular day, right? So this is how easy you are going to find if you use the scanner. I'm not going to gain anything out of it. This is a gift from me to the people who trade breakouts and they're finding difficulties to find stocks, select stocks which are having breakouts. Because if you do not have scanners like this, imagine opening up charts, 5 to 4 charts, and sitting all the day in front of your computer, right? So this is how you're going to look for the breakouts. And I'll be posting a few more videos on this breakout scanner, and I'll be showing you a few of the live trades that you can get and you can trade. For example, if you trade on Nifty, Bank Nifty, if you add here all the banks over here into the charts, into the filters, and Nifty, Bank Nifty, and all the sectors, if you get breakouts, you can trade them and you can plan your trades accordingly. Okay. Thank you, people. I'll be uploading this video soon. Thank you.